In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and restore forms in Microsoft Forms. Whether you need to clean up old forms or have accidentally deleted an important one, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process swiftly and effectively. Let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Forms and navigate to the My Forms tab. This is your central hub where all your created forms are displayed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view if you haven't already, as it's a handy place for managing your forms efficiently. Now scan through your list of forms and find the specific form that you want to delete. It's always worth double checking that you've selected the correct form to avoid any unwanted deletions. Once you're sure you found the right one, direct your attention to the lower right corner of the form tile, where you'll notice three little dots representing additional options. Clicking on this will reveal a menu, and from here choose the Delete option. After selecting Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirming this by clicking Continue ensures that the form is moved out of your active list. But don't worry, with Microsoft Forms, deleting a form doesn't mean it's gone forever. It simply moves to the recycle bin, a safety net for those moments of reconsideration. Next, let's proceed to the recycle bin to manage the deleted form. You can find this option just within the same set of features. Navigate to the Deleted Forms tab, where you'll find all the forms you've deleted recently. This tab is exceptionally useful for restoring any form you might need back or simply clearing out unwanted forms permanently. While in the Deleted Forms tab, locate the form you wish to restore. Again, double check to ensure you're selecting the correct one to prevent any mix-ups. With the form identified, click on the three dots in the corner of the form tile to access more options as you did earlier. This time select Restore. After restoring, your form will reappear in the All Forms tab, effectively returning it to your active list. The restoration process is seamless, ensuring you have quick access to your recovered forms without any data loss. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective method for deleting and restoring forms within Microsoft Forms. This built-in functionality not only helps maintain a clutter-free organization of your forms, but also provides peace of mind with its easy restoration process. Remember to routinely check your forms and use the recycle bin feature to manage them efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy form managing.